Hey guys, we're live at 10:16 p.m. and we're running the third mini for Shawns Yak-Faced Snaggletooth. I got 40 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our top 5. Paste my list of 40 in here. I am going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We got a 7, which means we are good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Michael in the top spot for our first round. Brian 2. Michael again on top in round 3. Troy in the top 2 spots for round 4 and round 5. Ryan in the top spot for our next to last round, round 6. Bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Troy, Brian, Aaron, Nate, and Brian. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. FOIA, FBUEXA is our verification code. There's our results. I'm done at 10:18. As seen here. One last time, here's the results. Congrats to our winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.